Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get that music. La música. Music, please don't stop the music. I wanna take you. Yo, yo, yo. Come on, stewards. Good morning, Dave. Welcome. Good morning. No, this has nothing to do with me. Robert, good morning. Crash Chapman, good morning. Olu, good morning. Jeff, good morning. Kick back and I'll be back next month, hopefully. Jeff, what happened? Your account got hacked? Oh no, it's all the things you were saying. I'm just kidding, Jeff. Hopefully it's not a big. Yeah. Joseph, good morning. Cortez, good morning. Sharona, good morning. Veronica, good morning. M Sense, good morning. Good morning, Litz. Billy, good morning. Hi guys. Good morning, Woods. Good morning. BCAN? No, BCAN. So I posted a little screenshot of BCAN. Well, I mean, like just this morning, right? So we'll talk about the news. It's women's lubrication, something. Stuart is gonna love where this is going. But anyway, so yeah, this thing was the first. I know this thing was bumping already, anyways, right? So it's gone from $4, right? So to 20 something. So when I took a screenshot this morning and posted that in Discord, that thing was at $12, and then I refreshed it a few minutes later. That thing was at $15, and then I stopped looking, and that thing exploded to $20, right? So it's done really well. It's done really well. It rallied all the way to $21, right? So this thing closed at $4 on Friday, up 300% right now pre-market, right? So we'll pass 20 again. You think so, Christian? Yeah, we'll see, right? So see people take profits and then it recovers. Somebody hacked my AT&T account, which is AutoPay. Three phones. They hacked your account and bought three phones. Oh, yeah. You get your money back though, right, Jeff? They should give you your money back, right? Hopefully. Again, so yeah, that's annoying. Right, so BCAN is top gainer here this morning. The reason why these guys are gapping up is because of this, right? So beyond Cannasoft to acquire Ziggy Caramel Initiatives and investments for 28 million in stock, right? Eventually, yeah. Oh, the music is a little bit Good morning, Pizza. Good morning, my neighbors. Right, so again, so Beyond Cannasoft Enterprises has signed a share purchase agreement to acquire 100% of Ziggy Caramel Initiatives and Investments, which holds the patent pending intellectual property for a therapeutic device that uses low concentrations of CBD oils, such as hemp, seed, and other natural oils to treat certain women health issues, right? So, and yeah, so CBD oil for women, and that thing is exploding, right? So so common shares are deemed 470 pay $100 to acquire legal expenses, blah 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 blah. So this thing will most likely crash at some point. The question is when, right? So under the terms of the purchase agreement, the company will issue 7.9 million shares at a deemed price of $4.73. Interesting. And something we're gonna have to watch closely there. And also the S&P. So SPY is basically dying this morning. Boomer, hey yo, hey yo. Yeah, SPY is gonna open up at below 383. So we'll see what it does after the market opens here, right? And then obviously it's a big week for the market. with Big Daddy Powell speaking on Wednesday, and the Fed decision on Wednesday, right? So meeting on Tuesday, and then and Tuesday and Wednesday, then conference on Wednesday. So it's gonna be an interesting week. I feel like it's just gonna be like a whole bunch of fake moves, right? Thoughts on BTC this week? Same mood, right? So Bitcoin will be volatile, just as the market is, leading into Wednesday. So usually you see like somewhat of a like a fake volume bounce into the Fed meeting, right? Like a low volume bounce into the Fed meeting. So Bitcoin might do the same thing, but I just don't trust it honestly. Um, you know what I mean? I just don't trust that this time because I feel like overall people expect the Fed to do more this time, right? Like people are almost like pricing in a surprise, right? So these numbers are not improving. So will the Fed do something? I mean, I don't know, right? So safest thing is probably to wait and get a decision and then go from there. Yeah, me hey yo, right? So yeah, we'll talk about that as the day goes on. CNBC here, uh, same as Holu is now. Oh no, Virgo. Good morning. Let's go. Let's see. In 3 months, Bitcoin drops 5%. Oh, you can't even see my screen yet. So Bitcoin drops 3% in 3 months as lowest in 3 months. Continue to get crushed. Yeah, I mean, like we've always talked about like how how like Bitcoin potentially was hedge against inflation. It's not. It's like it's when the market struggles like this, people like want to get rid of like risky assets first, right? So trim, right? So Bitcoin would be one of those. So, anyways, just wanted to look at that really quickly there. Good morning, MSense. Before the market opens on Wednesday. Today, let's go. Bad morning stocks. Bad morning stocks. The pandemic is over, he says. So why do we still have restrictions and all that stuff? Biden says the pandemic is over. Uh, Back in red? Yeah, exactly, right? So honestly, no surprise there. No surprise, right? So I was just wondering why that thing was green though. Like, why is it green? Is there something there? Right? Biden says the pandemic is over. Is the pandemic over, guys? Markets open, by the way. So we'll move on and look at these names. Isn't waiting for the WHO. Well, I mean, like the pandemic is over. He says is over. Vaccines and treatments are more widespread. Employees are pushing their workers to return to offices. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Survives a Russian strike. Okay, sounds good. And then there we go. Catastrophe in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Catastrophe. Yeah, I just like reading these headlines here sometimes. And here's BCAN, right? So BCAN. I'll take a look at Holu too and just see what it's doing. Just wanted to put up these market movers here, and then over the weekend we kind of we'll take a look at these names as the day goes on here. But because none of them are quite performing here, right? So we'll take a look and see what the market looks like. Mm, 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 there we go. Anyways, so again, gap ups are usually for selling, so you want to be patient at the open here. PRP, PRPL is selling off a bit at the open here. Virgo, I know you played with this thing pre-market, right? So in VCAN kind of sold off into the open here. So see if this thing can settle around $15. Carla, good morning. And then SNTI as well here, up 36%, right? But it just needs to consolidate here. Needs to consolidate a bit there. La, la, la. Omega, hello. Yeah, no, Stuart. I just thought it was interesting how like the market. I mean, like how red the market was, and for something to be green. I was just wondering why. And Spy's bouncing at the open. There's really no surprise here that the S&P is bouncing, right? So, um, gap ups are for selling, gap downs are for buying, right? So regardless of yeah, so we'll see what the S&P does here. Go, go. Looking like a little. Yeah, it really is R7, isn't it? It really is. I'd be careful with it though. I'd be careful. Like the market just opened. Chavo, buenos dias, ¿cómo estás? right? Market just opened and this thing is crashing, right? It's at $14 now. It's gone from 21 to 14, right? From $4 to 21 back to 14. So it's just volatile. It's gonna run. Well, we'll see what happens. See if it can chill out, right? It's crazy. For a stock with that much volume, that thing moves. Well, for that much of a not a big float, but it's not a micro float either, right? So it's halted at $14. By the way, it's halted on the way down here, BCAN. So we'll see what it does, right? And there's nothing really pumping yet. It's nothing really performing yet, other than the S&P. So Bitcoin should be maybe recovering a bit with that there. It's trying to. That's SNTI there, bit of a bounce, 43% now, like a hawk. Yeah, it's halted for now, so wait and see if it gets unhalted and see if there's any momentum there. Boss, let's go. How are you? How are you? Nah. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. And yeah, let's go. No. It said can't be. It cannot be. It cannot be. Anyways, again, if you're wondering why BCAN is pumping this morning, it's because they acquired another company for 20 something million dollars, and it's like the company they acquired had they have a patent for like again, so it's something about like low concentrations of CBD oil, for like application on women, like women to treat women, women health issues, right? So there's more to that, obviously, but I'm not gonna go into all of that detail. So, anything else? Anything else moving yet? Anything? Nope, not yet. Right. So we'll wait and see what happens. It's making a move. Yeah. I mean, like, let's go, Hugh. Intelligence, preserve your capital. Don't be eager to give your money away. Absolutely, Hugh. Thank you. Yeah, let the plays come to you. Let's get it. And like there've been so many days where like we just chill out and just wait and wait and wait and wait, and those plays eventually show up, right? So there's no rush at all, guys. Did us Dirty Friday? Yeah. Eric, good morning. I'm just. I know people keep mentioning like SHPH. I'm like, you can play those. You can play those really nicely, right? So I'll take a look at them, right? If you want me to, but just be careful with. I mean, those stocks can pump and dump. So if you're playing with them, quick, right? Uh, 12 potentially, right? Potentially. I see what you're looking at here. So, Bunny's asking if BCAN is a good buy at $12, right? At this price here, right? Because we did bounce off this level last time, right? Fresh, good morning, let's go, right? Joe, good morning, let's go, right? You're asking if we might bounce up this area as well. Well, the good thing about this is you never really have to guess. I mean, you can, but you notice what happened at $12 last time, Bunny, is that we got to this price, and you can see the buying pressure come in, right? Or again, just selling pressure die down a bit, and then it turned around, right? You can see this thing slowly turning around. So you want to see what happens when it gets to that price. So again, it's not just about like getting to that price and you buying, right? It's not just about it getting to that price and you buying. It's about like what's happening at $12. Is it consolidating, right? So wait for that. Good morning, Travis. Hey yo. Hey yo. So again, we're on halted. No, we're not on halted yet. Still halted. So we'll wait and see what happens there. Right. And finding a little bit of support here, Virgo, for this donk here. Right. A little bit of support. For PRPL, just around 370, and then yeah, SNTI is bouncing. This one's actually done not too bad at the open here. It's up to 45% now. It's slow, like it's slow, but so wait for Yeah, exactly, Yami, right? So you never have to guess and say, oh, like I'm waiting for this level, I'm just gonna buy that level. Wait and see what happens at that level, right? Because we talk about support all the time, but if you're getting to support and there's a lot of selling pressure, ignore it because that thing is gonna crash, right? And the S&P's had a little bounce here. That's again, like I never really for especially for SPY here, like whenever we open and we get that first move, which is always opposite of like what happened pre-market. Um, you kind of want to like just ignore it because we could easily return back to the lows, right? So I want to see if we can create a higher low here or something and then a higher high. At am I in at so hope so? Yeah, it's trying. It's trying 380. It's playing with that 380 there, Emma, right? So it needs to break above that 9 there. I feel like we're mostly waiting for BCAN here because it's been the craziest stock of the morning, right? Nah, mostly waiting for that. Zero trust. Zero trust. Zero. No, yeah, Joe, it's been surprised me. Yeah, surprised me. Honestly, I think that's how I feel about the S&P too. I feel like this week, it's probably best to kind of maybe ignore a lot of those like S&P related names and just buy in general. And unless you're playing like with the quick game, and just focus on like some of these like smaller momentum scalps, right? Because even these momentum scalps in a market that's uncertain, these things will be quick pump and dumps, right? So you want to be careful with those as well. So we'll see. Again, be careful this week, right? Into the Fed, be careful, because I feel like people are just going to be very twitchy, panicky. But you can also have some very good momentum names, right? In this market, when people are panicky, you can have some names that really explode. It feels like that's when we have those crazy moves, though. When like sometimes either the market's super bullish and we have some good moves, or when people are struggling with all of the rest of everything else, they move over to momentum names, right? So we've seen some crazy moves. SNTI. Good morning, Ashinafi. Good morning. Bonjour. Good morning. Anything else moving here, really? There's no volume here, is there? No, and yeah, no volume there either. Can you keep my water? Na, 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 na. Nope, no volumes. No volumes. Come on now, give us an on halt, Brian. I did put some on a bunch of meme stocks. Feeling a bad week, Brian. Yeah. Yeah. Again, keep in mind, like I mentioned earlier, SPY has always done this weird thing where like sometimes it will have this like low volume bounce into the Fed meeting. So because everybody is almost expecting, right, the market to be absolute rubbish, and these guys will play games. Games. Look at SPY bounce, right? SPY. Interesting. Look at that candle. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, right? And yeah, we're still halted here. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Good weekend. Come on, Spy. 385, 384 for now. 384, 384. Can we can we get to three let me see anything on the scanner here though? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet on the scanners. So, la, 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 la. What about Drake? What do you mean? Are you in a position? Are you in a position, Drake, or you're just looking for an entry? I honestly don't mind. You are okay. What's your entry price? What's the entry price then? It looks good to me. And yeah, no IPOs today? No, Mega. No. And look at Spygo, right? So yeah, that's been the better looking stock this morning. It's slowly bouncing, right? Especially since you're in a position you're in at 230. Okay, nice. Yeah, just make sure you have a stop loss, right? And then go from there. It looks good to me here. But again, like it's way too early. Like if I was looking for a position into this, I would not be getting it. I'd be waiting, right? So I'd be waiting because there's just not enough information here for me yet, right? So for now, it looks good because you're in there and you're slightly green on that position, right? It's not moving much, right? So only thing you have to watch for now are these moving averages, and if you can stay above that, you should be okay. But yeah, damn, on hot side here, 12.75. 12.75. Yeah, see if we can sell up to that $12 level and consolidate. If not, to the bridge, right? So I think what a lot of people are looking at here is a potential double bottom for BCAN, right? So, but the question is, can he consolidate like it did last time at $12? Or that's the question, right? It's holding for now. So, Bonnie, I don't know if you're still looking at that level, right, for BCAN here. So we'll see if it holds. Crazy stonk. Crazy stonk. Kiwi, it's taking a dipski. Okay, yeah, spine slowly bouncing there like that. This is the S&P here. Right? So slowly, nicely, right? So is it about to break $12? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Right. So yeah, it needs to consolidate at that $12 there for me. So needs to consolidate because I mean, like if you look at these candles, this is what you want to be careful of because I mean, like these are some pretty massive big volume candles, right? So if I'm watching that, I need to see like on the left hand side, I want to see like consolidation, not massive red candles, right? Because is that thing halted again? Uh, yeah, it's halted again down, right? So that's the scary part about this, because you might have that idea of like a level in your mind because it did it last time for double bottom, but you kind of need to see consolidation, right? At XR level, yeah, it really is. Right, I hate to see it. Oh, would be exactly. Is prey exactly you exactly bump and dump, I guess. Yeah, be careful, right? It's not consolidating. It's basically just selling off. And my concern for this is we might need to go to like the company's website and actually take a look at this rather than read on Benzinga here, right? Might need to look at that. But when I see this little statement here, it scares me a little bit. So the company will right, stuff like this. Next support is 7. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna need to go like onto their website and look at and like the SSC's website and look at that. But I don't want to see that number, do I? No, I don't. Right. Under the terms of their share purchase agreement, the company will issue to ZC's owner 7.9 million common shares at a deemed price of $4 and 70 something cents and 100. I bet you the yeah whatever they're doing there. So, anyways, so that's halted by the way. And now we wait Colin. Good morning. And yeah, and Andre, that thing SNTI. SNTI has been the most consistent stock so far this morning for me, right? So and it's bouncing still here. SNTI, right? SNTI then. Yeah. I don't know why it opens up so many different tabs here. Anyways, yeah, I'll leave that there. Yeah, so Dre, make sure you move your stop loss higher. Make sure you don't go from green to red, right? Don't do that. Try not to do that. Right? So, Pablo, good morning. Hey yo, right? La la la. So again, BCAN is BCAN. So top 3 pre-market movers this morning as we're watching. AVYA is on fire. I'll take a look. Right. So again, BCAN had some news this morning doing an acquisition. So these guys went from $4 to $21 back to $11 here. So we'll see what happens when it gets unhalted. And then this is another one that's finding a bit of support here. So it's slow, right? Abex. Emmer, it's slow, right? So, but it's back up to 390 here, and then SNTI is slowly bouncing as well. Let me take a look at AVYA here. AVYA on fire. The only reason why I wanted to watch BXRX here Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday. Well, they're doing a 2-day meeting, but yeah, Wednesday Fed conference, right? So the only reason I wanted to watch this was because this is the daily chart, and it's done a fairly good job of consolidating here above 30 cents, right? So BXRX, so that's why I wanted to watch it closely to see if any volume would come in, right? It doesn't have that volume yet as of now, but you never know. We'll keep a close eye on it. If this thing breaks below 30 cents, it's dead. Anyway, so AVYA. AVYA, the fire. Look at that. AVYA has just always been on fire, hasn't it? I think it's back about $2 here, Pablo. AVYA. Yeah, AVYA has always done well. Well, for the most part. So, AVCT to the moon. No, not today. And the Fed, no, yeah, Wednesday. The Fed does not speak today. And yeah, 392 Emmer. Slowly. Yeah, hopefully it's one of those slow stonks, but that moves, that gives you some nice money. So, is it too late for Avaya? Let me see what the daily chart looks like here actually for Avaya. Obviously, it would have been better to buy the retest. The 150 last week was beautiful, actually. That 150 test, it tested on Friday, right? Friday retest 150 and said thank you very much, bye bye. I want to say you want to give it a second. I would wait, right? I would wait and see if it can actually stay above $2 here. Right. Also, there's a 50-day moving average sitting right around that spot there. So I would need some more consolidation above $2 here before I looked at this. As right, you can already tell that there's a bit of resistance here, right? So I'd be a little bit cautious there. But anyways, Emmer almost at $4, almost. Don't go red, please and thank you. Anyways, on halted here for BCAN, by the way, and it's at $11 now. Well, around the same halt price, right? So see if we can bounce here. Nope. Below 11 for a second there. So 1140, it's bouncing. Trying to at least. So we'll see. We shall see. BTC seems to be moving up now. No, it should be. Bitcoin should be moving up as well, right? Bitcoin basically just follows the market around mood, right? So if the market's bouncing, right, this is the S&P. If it's bouncing like this, Bitcoin for the most part, right, should be bouncing as well. Should be. So, anyways, and broke about $4 here, Emerald. Let's go. Come on now. Yeah, 399, 401 highs of the day, right? So make sure you don't go red. Right? So. And now we actually do seem to be consolidating here for BCAN between 11 and 12. So, yeah. See if we can hold and go. I know Holu, yeah. Though that thing probably gonna crash now too, Pablo, isn't it? Yeah, D-SPAC, yeah. Sure, I can take a look. I can take a look at AVCT. AVCT. La, 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 la. AVCT 16%, not bad. Not bad. Are you Ashton? Are you in already? I hope you're in already. Right. So, if not, I'd be waiting for like a retest of 20 just to see what happens at 20 cents, and then go from there. Anyways, yeah, back above $12 here for BCAN. Yep. Can it actually pump? Now is the question. Can it actually pump? Spine is actually looking positive today, isn't it? Yeah, looking quite positive there. The S&P. Wow. It's back to 385. Watch this thing go from red to green here now. Impressive. You're in? Okay, nice. Congratulations. Wow. Spy. I mean, we've hit resistance here though, so I'd like to wait and see what happens there. 86. Interesting. More volume. What's the float there? Interesting. Unhalted? Okay, let me take a look. $25. Yeah, that thing filled quite a bit, Pablo. Right, like it filled quite a bit at this level here. You could almost like just see it happening, right? So like right there, And then said, thank you very much. Right, at 36, halted up now. Yeah, right. So it's halted at $25 here now. Right, so see if we can hold above that 25 now, or whatever level this was that it hit. Right, $20. Yeah, 2021, and then rebounded. So we'll see if we can stay above that. Um, what do you think about buying, Adre? I think you're buying into a wall, is what I would. Right. So I think you're buying into a wall, even though it's breaking above here. You want to wait and see if it can actually hold about $4 first, right? So looking at, yeah, Pablo, yeah, right. So no, congratulations, Emmer. What's your stop loss at now? Do you have one, or you're just holding for now? Or you sold it? Okay, not bad, right? Not bad. That thing seems like it's hitting a wall as well at 246 anyway, so not bad. What do I think about buying this? You want to kind of wait and see if it can consolidate here. Like it looks good if you're in it. Like this has no warning signs at all, like zero. If you're in it though, right? The issues are when you're looking to buy stuff when it's going up already. You can easily catch the top, right? So and SPY still hitting highs here. SPY still hitting highs, highs on highs on highs, highs on highs on highs. Anyways, yeah, no, looks good there. Looks good. And almost like this beacon would need to break above $13 here, just to confirm that it's broke above the 9 EMA there, and just to keep going, right? So it's a short squeeze. I hope so. I like short squeezes. I like short squeezes and PRPL. PRPL. What's it up? There we go. We did struggle to Emmer, so just be aware of this. We did struggle pre-market around this spot, right? So like around this level here, between like 410 and 410, and you sold it, you out. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, we did struggle here, right, at 410 to 412 this morning, pre-market. So I wonder if the same thing will happen around this level, and then we dip skis, right? So we'll see. We shall see. No, congratulations, good job. Let's go. And to the 9, yeah. AVYA. Almost want to just watch AVYA sometimes too, because you showed it at the top. Okay, no, hopefully, good luck. Good luck. Uh, uh, AVYA. Yeah, see if AVYA can just stay above the $2 level here, right? So, because I know we failed right around the spot on the daily chart last week. So, see if we can break out this time here. There you go. So let's quickly edit that there. Yeah, it seems to be struggling there for now, Emmer, so we'll see. Anyways, and then BCAN, yeah, BCAN is fighting. Bunny, did you get in or you're just watching? Did you get into that stonk or you're just kind of watching for now? Let me see here. Wasn't this a stock from last week, Pablo? But for some reason it was 19. Wow, nice. The volume isn't the worst either. But this might be one of those slow thrusters today, Pablo. Right? So with that float and the volume, yeah, it might be one of those slow. Not yet. Okay. Not yet. And BCAN just dropped hard, right? So and that's why, like we mentioned, that it needs to break above the blue line. That blue line is a 9 EMA, and obviously that's going to be resistance. So that thing, right, hit that level, multiple candles, right? So and then crashed back to $11 here. So yeah, there you go. You're looking for and right, history doesn't repeat but it rhymes, like we say all the time. Right, that thing is hitting resistance there, right? PRPL, and yeah, same level ish, right? And then backing off, it's back below $4 a emmer, right? 398 now, so a bit of a dip ski. So again, congratulations, good job. And yeah. Anyways, and then you're looking for an entry into AVCT. I would wait for, see if we can retest. Well, uh, yeah, right? So 23 cents now, 24%. Regardless of what's happening here, though, I would always like recommend waiting for a dip to one of these moving averages, preferably the 20 or the 50 here, right? So um, again, I'm not, like if I was looking to buy this, I would not buy this on the way up here, right? Um, I mean, this thing is pumped. This thing's almost pumped every single day now that we've been watching, and it's dipped eventually, right? So it needs to give us that dip ski. Um, Otherwise, I mean, you can FOMO and it can keep going, right? But it's just a dangerous game, isn't it? That you're potentially playing. What's this? Ooh la la, ooh la la. Anything really moving here? No, not really. Not really. Not really. And AVCT, yeah, 25%. Yeah, Avaya is. Yeah, it really is. I'll leave up. Let me. I almost want to put up these two now, Avaya and ABCT here. I'll put up. Yeah, I'll do that right now. Actually. La, 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 la. And then Avaya unhalted. Okay. La, la. ABCT and Avaya. Yeah, Avaya is actually riding that trend really nicely there, Pablo. Right, like really well. I like those. I like that. Edit this here. Uh, la, la, la. You are Rushley. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, you've been here for a bit though, haven't you? Haven't you? I mean, it's actually holding that level really nicely there, Pablo. Right, really well. The blue line there for Avaya, right? So that looks good. See if we can get above 210 here now. 210, $2.10. Can we FOMO? You want to FOMO? FOMO, Martin? I'll have to take a look. I know that thing was on the pre-market movers list. I just never looked at it, so I'd have to take a look at some point here. And are we halted? Yeah, we're actually halted at 11:20. Wow, interesting. And then again, no surprise here for this one, right? So for PRPL here, yeah, that thing just failed, right? So at least for now, see if we can reclaim $4 in, and then we can talk. Via, yeah, Via is gonna have to break above 210 here because 210 is a level to watch. R7, what's a zero? What's zero? What is a zero? And SPY is also dip skiing there now too. So that's the first real dip that we're getting for the S&P. So see if we can stay above those levels. See if we can stay above the 20 there. Let's go. Please and thank you. Let's go, guys. Yeah, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Come join us. Typo? Oh. Zero. This might be the first time that we break below that done line there, Pablo. Might be the first time, yeah. Right. So from that 210 level, Avaya is really slow in the way that it moves, but yeah. And there goes AVCT. Like AVCT will always dip skip, right? Always. This thing does this every morning. It seems like, right? Bump and then dip, and then you pray that it recovers. Spy's taking the whole market with it. Look at the S&P here, right? So whole markets with it. Right. So let's see. I need to also sign in here. Uh, let's see. Nice. Okay. Whoa. I I I signed into my account, and one of the like on my watch list is Yoshi, and had no idea Yoshi was below $2 now. Wow, crazy, crazy. On it. Mm, there you go. And let me take a look at some of these names you looked at over the weekend here, right? So, because both of those names really don't have any volume yet, Peter. So that's the concern, right? There's just no volume there. That's the problem. So, um, like no volume at all, right? So those might be like just a watch for now, and then we'll see how the rest of how the rest of the day goes, right? So, yeah, see if we can hold above the 20 here, R7. I know you're looking for potential play, right? So you always want to wait for a retrace, a retest of one of these moving averages. And for now, we're kind of retesting the 20 and holding there, right? So 21.6. So see if we can stay above 21.6 there for AVCT, right? So in AVYA, yeah, AVYA just needs to stay above $2, right? AVYA just needs to stay above $2 and do something there. The DR, okay. Hello, Annabelle. Let's go. Let's go. And what else? Still halted? No. Well, unhalted here now for BCAN. BCAN again, pump and dump, right? From 4 to 21, and then back to $10 here. So see if we can hold $10 here now, maybe, right? $10. Revenue for what? Oh yeah, that thing broke below $10, 980, right? So like I mentioned earlier, like when I look at this article here, that's my concern. That highlighted part there, right? The $4.70. So does that mean we're going back to $4.71? Anyways, it's at 960 now. Anyways, so $9.60. Uh, you this you did. You're sore, Joe. Wait. Pablo says, guess what? BBIG has postponed their earnings release again until the past. Um, that's crazy, honestly. I wonder if someone keeps getting it wrong, or like BBIG is just like absolute trash of a company. Like BBIG is the worst company. Good morning, Star. Hey yo, you know what I mean? Like, how can you postpone your earnings report over and over and over? And what's going to end up happening to that is Nasdaq is going to like I don't know why those guys are even allowed to like trade on like on an exchange, right? What's gonna happen soon is like the Nasdaq is gonna come and say, yeah, you know what? Here's your like you're getting the listed back to the OTC or something, you know. So I'm surprised that hasn't come. Like, that just hasn't like. How can you just keep postponing earnings? How can you do that for a month straight? Like, oh, next Friday. Oh, tomorrow after hours. Oh no, next Friday. Oh no, next Friday. Like, how can you just keep doing that? I don't get it. But anyways, don't forget to smash the like. EVIG is the worst. Yeah, it really is. Honestly, it really is. And Avaya is bouncing up the 20 for now, and AVCT is kind of trying to hold up the 20 as well, right? So we shall see. The biggest scam in history. It really is. It really, really is. Anything else? 990, $10. BCAN. SNTL. SNTL dip skeet. Dips on dips on dips. Yeah, I don't get that. Uh, okay. Oh my goodness, Bob. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm back. Can't wait to start listening again and get your wonderful education to big money. Bob, it's good to see you. Wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. Um, it's been such a long time. It's good to see you. And if you're wondering who Bob is, I mean, most of you guys probably know who Bob is if you've been here for a while. This Friday, IPOs, yeah, Eric. Hopefully they're not postponed, right? Like Pablo mentioned earlier, these IPOs are getting postponed because of market conditions, maybe. Yeah. So and also Bob is Jameson's dad, by the way. So you guys know that criminal? Yeah, Bob. Of course. That criminal Jameson in the chat. Bob, that's there you go. So where's Jameson, by the way? Jameson is hiding because Break, good morning. Have you covered this morning? I have not. I think starting new positions is short-term trade maybe. No, I haven't looked at it, right? So yeah, Rumble, right? Rumble, CFEI, whatnot. Name change? Yeah, no, I haven't looked at it this morning. I'll take a look though. Yeah, Bob has a great voice. Yes, he does. Jameson the criminal. Yes, he really is. No, Jameson is sure he's hiding somewhere, making some plays. Let's see here. Anyways, Bomb, it's good to see you. Uh, good to see you. This was the filing from BBIG. Bob, do you remember BBI? You remember BBIG, right? You remember BBIG? You have to. This was the last 8K filing on August. We with several hubs and locations for employees. We do not maintain a headquarters. That sounds like a scam, Pablo. That sounds like such a scam. We have multiple locations. We do not maintain a headquarter for we don't maintain a headquarter. Sure. What does that mean? We don't have an office. We don't have an yeah, and three CEOs. You can't catch us because we're all over the place. What a scam, honestly. Anyways, yeah, no, we'll see how that whole thing plays out. BBIG doesn't remember BBIG. Um, yeah, no, BBIG is. We'll see how the whole thing plays out, honestly, and then go from there. They maintain a bridge, and they're going to it. Yeah, three CEOs and a PO box. Unbelievable. Some companies is just surprised. Again, I'm still surprised those guys are allowed to trade, but whatever. Um, and take your money and try to, yeah, exactly, Star. That's what they do, right? That's exactly what they're doing. Um, to 30. It's trying to, like, it's trying. See if it stays above the 20 here, right? So it's holding that 21.6 really well there, SNTI. So hopefully your entry is way below where we're sitting at for now. And Avaya finally broke below $2, but then reclaimed $2, right? So see if it stays above and rallies again here, right? Avaya. Located under the bridge. It really is under the bridge, honestly. And anything else? Nope. What's the other one again, Peter? NCPL. Is that thing going 218? Slowly, right? So we talked about this one over the weekend in Discord. It doesn't have volume yet, though. That's my concern, right? That's my only concern. We talked about this one over the weekend in Discord, and we kind of looked at this in terms of like, oh, like potential double bottom, right? So and a bounce at $2 here. So that thing needs to stay above $2. But the volume is my concern, right? It doesn't have much of it. It's a low float, so this thing can move quickly. It just doesn't have the volume yet. But if you can turn around and start bouncing up $2 here, it might do well, right? So we'll keep an eye out for that thing and see what it does, and then go from there. And then go from there. There's really nothing that stands out so far. Like there's nothing that really stands out. I bet you it's because of just market conditions, though, right? With the Fed into Wednesday, people are just not confident in the market at all. So hopefully something shows up here soon, and we can play with it. You have a good feeling about it? Okay, I'll take a look right now. I'll take a look right now. So yeah, yeah. So merger complete. Well, and interesting. What's the high here? $14 on this thing? $14 this morning? Wow. 14? Interesting, actually. Yeah. I'll keep an eye out for this. I'll leave it up for now and see what it does. I see that volume comes in here and starts pumping, right? Break, we'll see. Mustafa, just missed the alarm. That's okay. Welcome back. Welcome to Discord as well, Mustafa. Right. So, good morning. Hello, Mr. Unrealized Profits. Someone mentioned BBIG and I appear. I know, right? And Spice pumping. Pumping. Yeah, maybe we do get that low volume pump into the into Wednesday. So we'll see. We shall see. Come on, Spy. Go from red to green, please. Wow, Spy's actually gonna almost either double top here or a nice little rally. There goes the S&P, guys. Spy's pumping. I was rumored to be Apple and MULN. Do you know anything about No, nothing about Apple and MULN. Why would Apple be working with MULN? I don't know. Um, the company that it was not in compliance with Nasdaq. Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna be delisted soon. Not exactly. Bob says not a couple of once the Fed speaks, will be time to buy. Yeah, it could be a very good week if only for puts. Exactly, Bob. Right? So exactly. So I bet you that's why the market, especially some of these other names, are just not really moving because there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, right? So right. So we kind of talked about like earlier this morning. We talked about like again the market usually likes to maybe give us a low volume bounce into the S&P into the Fed meeting. So maybe that's exactly what we're getting today, right? We've gone from 382 this morning to 386, right? So that's a solid bounce for the market here. So I bet you crypto's bouncing as well, Stuart. So right? So we'll see what happens here. Let's go, Virus. Come on. Virus with the super chat. Virus is and trust. Make the money. Catch you later. Virus is away, by the way. He's traveling for a week or two. He said so. He's gonna be in and out, barely in. So Virus, be safe. We'll see you when you get back. Thank you for the super chats. Let's go. Come on, Ron. Good morning, Ron. Uh, Ron, are you at the gym? Well, let's see here. I see AVI. Yeah. Brick, are you in the stock already? Or right? Are you in the stock already? Or you're just kind of watching for now? What's up, make big monies? Yeah, he's working. He's working. Have fun. I think he's working. Pizza. Working. $9 and halted for BCAN. By the way, here. Right. Yep. Gym time. Wow. Is yeah, CFI is rum now. Yeah, rum acquisition merger. So yeah, this thing had a nice pump this morning, Pablo. So really solid pump. See if we can get back to $14 here to the original price. Exactly right. Be below $9 exactly right from $4 to $21. As soon as honestly I was interested, but as soon as I saw this, uh, $4 and 73 cents Canadian. It was a different vibe. It was a different vibe after that. So, and Avaya here, yeah, Avaya. See if we can stay above the 50 actually there, Pablo. Right? See if we can stay above that 50 EMA, and then just hold above it, right, and then bounce. It's back above $2 here, so it needs to hold and go, go. Yeah, we'll see. And then go from there. Na, 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 na. We see how long we let's see how the market looks like as we get to lunch, and then yeah, off 195. Okay, perfect, nice. Yeah, let's see how we look like going to lunch, because might need to I don't know, for some reason, like my voice really struggled with like I don't know. I think it's because of what I did last weekend, like just all the exercising. But for some reason, like my voice really struggled this weekend. I mean, like almost like every day that last week, just with like the like streaming all day. Yeah, the I could yeah, had a rough weekend trying to just deal with the whole voice rubbish. So we'll see how the market looks like. We might, yeah, might, then we can call it off and just hang out in Discord and some of that stuff. Anyways, yeah, see if we can stay above that level there, Pablo. We ultimately need to break above like 210 and then get to thrusting. Get to thrusting. Oh yeah, you didn't play COD? No, Peter. That's part of the reason why I why I avoided COD a bit. Because I was trying as much as I could not to talk over the weekend, as much as I could. Praying for the folks, yeah, and yeah, being affected hurricane, yeah, that's really sad. That's really sad there, and yeah, I didn't really look a whole lot into it, but I know it was on here, right? So all those hurricanes, right? So and then there's this one too, and like yeah, right? So yeah, hurricanes. Feel hurricane. Why do these hurricanes have people's names on them? Striking on the 30 powered by no, 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 no. Islands no, 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 no. Yeah, that's really sad. Really sad there. No, SNTI looks okay there. So after I'm not you're in at 233. You got in? Okay, well no. Yeah, M sense, yeah, if we can break above that 250 level, sure, right? Absolutely, I think so too. Anyways, in BCAN is at 850 now. It's just crashing. Back to $9, but that thing is really struggling, isn't it? Yep. You must take care of that. Nah, lots of liquids. I like hot tea. Okay. With honey yourself, no dairy. Tea and lemon is also good. Old remedies, but they work. Thank you, Bob. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. Because of this. Super excited about yeah, I can't really see a Bob. I can't really see anything either, right? So I don't see anything here either, at least for now, right? Everything is absolute rubbish. Let's go. And also Dan is away. Dan is on vacation to yeah, Dan posted in Discord. So Dan, let's go make monies. Let's go, Dan. Enjoy. Have a wonderful time, Dan. We'll see you when you get back. Enjoy. Um, Dan is Disney. Enjoy. No, SNTI looks good there. If you can break above that 250 level there for you, then you might do really well. M sense might do really well. Maybe interesting Omega. Let me take a look at Holo again here. So as what's that? Interesting. AVCT. Let me take a look at Holo here. Bit of vacation. Yeah, I mean like yeah, these SPACs, honestly, my you want to be very careful with them, right? That thing would need to reclaim the nine there for me first. Omega, right? It needs to reclaim the nine here first, right? It needs to reclaim this little that blue line. So again, rally to 36, right? Struggle bust. You can see all these carriers hitting that 36 level and failing, and then a crash, right? So and now it's failing at the nine here. On the positive, my Doge is up 1.6% today. Are you up 1.6% like in the entire like position? Been shorted. Is Matic been showed along yet? No, Stuart. No. Over the weekend, like I told you, right, there was a bit of a long position. I did that long position, and it actually held up like for most of the weekend, right? So like I then had to look at it, and then I just set a stop loss for a bit of profit, and then eventually crashed, right? So and then just haven't looked at it. I considered this morning though, because again, spike gap down, and you kind of expect a bounce, right? So I strongly considered it strongly, but yeah. Yeah, Avaya is struggling here now, right? So all of these names are just no, just today. Because they will take off your stuff. Be nice, be nice, be nice, Eric. Be nice, Peter. Your FOMO senses are they're not tingling, Jonathan. Yeah, there's nothing to FOMO into, honestly. Like, there's nothing here to FOMO into, right? Like, I don't see anything. Uh, Giving them names. The names are in cycles over periods of years. The name is retired if the storm was. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Thank you, Pablo. Yeah. Yeah. All of that stuff is really really sad. 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 Take off my losses, please, and thank you. Yeah. Exactly, Joe. Exactly. And name the hurricane after the Fed. Yep. Let me see. Yeah, no, Pete, I don't know if did you ever get into any of those names over the weekend or no? From the weekend, they just don't have any volume here, right? That's the thing. There's no volume here. PC. La, 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 la. Yeah, this one just doesn't have any volume at all, right? So there's no volume here. No volume at all. Good morning, John. Hey yo. Not yet. Okay. Oh yeah, KNBE. Yeah, KNBE. KNBE. I don't think we've looked at that actually this morning. KNBE. Looked at the pre-market just because it was on the list, but yeah. Other than that, though, just the fact that it gapped up already and it kind of sold off was yeah. See if this thing can maybe double bottom at 2150 here for now, and then go from there. What do you think about the price target for AVYA and AVCT? AVCT, I don't know. AVYA needs to break above 210 there, right? So like, I really don't like to look at price targets for these names, honestly. It's more about like where can they sell up to and where can they hold, right? So what like the things you can control, and the price target is not one of them, right? I can say I want to sell the stock at, I want to see this stock at, but really I have no control over that though, right? So better thing to look at is, well, where can I get into at the best possible price, and where's my stop loss, right? How can I get into a stock at a good price and then limit my losses, if any, right? And then as the thing, as it moves up, how can I protect those profits now, right? Not looking for targets. It's halted up a Weber or Web V, Jeff. Uh, in the summer 1979, and a bunch like Andrew in South Florida. I don't think I've never been through yeah never been through one, I don't think. Snowstorms, of course, and like a ridiculous amount of rain, of course. Just but nothing like yeah. You see some of these videos, or like some of these when it's happening, it's scary stuff. Scary stuff. Scary. You're holding both of them for 2 weeks now, Mustafa. Okay. I hope you agreed on both of them, right? We got every type of storm. Nope. Not happening, Jeff. We have every type of storm. Nope. Yeah. So hope, Mustafa, hope you're green on both of those names, and if you are green, maybe have a stop loss and find a level and set a stop loss, right? So and then go from there. Mosquitoes and fire. Yeah, mosquitoes. Nope. Not that much. Okay. That's not bad though, Mustafa, right? For Sandy, yeah. New York City. Scary. Scary. What's the yeah. Hurricane has yet to experience. I know, Joe. I really need to try it. Maybe yeah, I really need to try it. Been slacking. We have yeah, constant fires. Tornadoes, you name keeps you on your toes. Yeah. Alright. Nope. Mm-mm. And the S&P is back to its little rally. Can you look? Yeah, of course, Jeff. Let me take a look right now. Mm, volcanoes. I'm trying to remember when. All right, let me take a look at the stock here first. WebV. That's not a stonk. I think you might be looking at Weber or something like that. You're looking at Weber, aren't you? You look at Weber, Jeff, or WebV? Because WebV is not a stonk. I don't think. What's this one doing here this morning? Weber. We've kind of looked at the stock a few times already. What's that? That's $6. Okay. And like that's not a bad Weber or W. Okay. Okay, I see there. Weber is actually not too bad here. Pablo, tell that guy we'll meet to yeah. Let me take a look. W. There you go. 77% today. 77%. This thing's up 77%. It's a nice gap up. Yeah, I don't know how it's halted up now, Andrew. I don't know how I feel about this one though because it's like it's up 77%, but like you look at the volume, you're like, wow, that's 65,000 shares. This is like two people. This is like one Discord pumping this, right? So and it's a penny stock, right? That's 70,000 shares, and it's up 80%. So that's my concern there, Jeff. Right? So that's my concern. I mean, you can see the like just pump, 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 and then now it's stalling a bit here. And so I would just kind of watch this for a bit, Jeff, and see what it does. From last exactly, yeah, $1,000, yeah. I Stewart wish I saw Matic at 72 actually. Wish I saw Matic at 72. That would have been a nice little gamble with the stop loss at 69. Honestly, 69.99. Stewart, not bad, right? So, yeah. Yeah, no, Jeff again. So less than 70,000 shares here. I would just kind of watch this thing for now and see that momentum kicks in again, and then go from there, right? So what's that? Oh, that's AVYA. AVYA really isn't doing much now. AVYA is just taking the back seat. And yeah, BCAN is halted up here at 8. It's still 850 though. $8.50. SNTI 237 M cents. Is the S&P sitting at the high today here? Well, not really. It's testing it, but yeah. This song has before the oh come on. Oh yeah, Spy is about to go break above. Yeah, Spy highs of the day. Yeah, Spy high today here. That's impressive. From red to green here. I don't think anyone really expected. Well, we talked about it, right? For the most part, though, if you looked at social media, right, a lot of it was just yeah, the market's gonna crash, market's gonna crash. I feel like whenever the sentiment is like that, it's easier for these guys to turn it around. Oh, the previous song. Oh, Joe, do me a favor, please. Do me a favor, please. Power speaks tomorrow, Wednesday. Um, Wednesday, Kenny. Wednesday. So if I pull up the Fed calendar here, you guys can look at my search history. All of it is stonks. Right. So calendar. I posted this stuff in Discord yesterday. So today's the 19th. Right. So there's nothing happening here. Oh yeah. So Wednesday. Right. So right, they have a 2-day meeting though, right? They have a 2-day meeting, so Tuesday and Wednesday, but Powell doesn't. So this is Tuesday the 20th, right? So there's nothing happening there, and then this is Wednesday, right? So Wednesday, right? FOMC meeting, and then press conference is what you're waiting for, right? So tomorrow, not tomorrow, Wednesday, right? Wednesday, the 21st, right? So they have the meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and then 2:30 is the press conference, right? As usual, normal things. We get a double take, yeah, a double, yeah. La, la, la. Yeah, Spider seems to be a little bit toppy there. We'll see. SNTI is above. Oh, M-Sense is trying. It's fighting. Let's see. We will see. Anything else here? Let's see. No, the only thing that was in Discord is SNTI, right? So from that momentum scanner, that's the only thing to be delisted. Okay, sounds good. Daily IPO stuff too. Chinese IPO. That's Friday though, the 23rd. Yeah. WXT. WXT there. I'm just looking at the IPO list because I know IPOs seem to be very exciting now. So 100% now, Joseph. Wow, that's crazy. Do we still have it up here? I think it's now at 107. Damn. Jeff is gonna be pissed. I just don't see the volume here, right? Yeah. Ooh, that thing just got volume out of nowhere. That thing just got a whole bunch of volume out of nowhere, and it's hotter than the way up here, right? So, Joseph, yeah, is on the way for FedEx, yeah, and will be where the stock goes with that report since made a lot of corporate changes. Goodbye early today. Yeah, yeah. FedEx came out last week and said, I mean, they right. It started from the from that interview from Kramer, right? So, and how he thinks there's no way we don't go into a recession and all that stuff. So we'll see. Uh, I just Leo, are you okay? I just fell off my outside. I hope. Are you okay? You watched Jeff? Yeah, that's an interesting song. Wow, Jeff's pissed. Jeff, yeah, that's you know what's crazy is like what's crazy is if you're watching this talk and it does this, it hits that with no volume, and it starts doing this and this and this and this and this, and you see this candle do this. I mean, look at that candle. This candle came all the way to here, right? That's panic. That's panic because you're like, oh no, it's about to crash, and then all of a sudden it explodes, right? So like it's just yeah. Um, cut me off guard, slip some dirt, come my hand. Yeah, okay. Um, no, that's annoying. That's annoying, Leo. And the S&P is hitting new highs of the day here, so that thing's pumping. SPY is absolutely thrusting here this morning. So, yeah, we'll see what happens when that thing gets unhalted there, Jeff. Right? See what happens there when it gets unhalted. And wow, SPY. Okay. What's Bitcoin at here? Bitcoin is at 19.3. Wow. Oh, that Matic at 72 would have been sweet. Would have been sweet, Stuart. Sweet. Algorand is up 8% now. 8%. Well, that's including all its rubbish from the other day, though. So Algorand is the top gainer. No, it's something else is the top gainer here. What else is pumped? Ape is up 9% actually, right? So Joe is up 6%. Joe cannot break below. Like Joe is the sweetest by 20 cents. And Luna is up what 5% here. Okay, cool. GMT's at 62 now. 62 cents. GMT. Damn. Man. It wants to go Martin ALK. Yeah. Sure. I'll take a look. BCAN is still halted. Wow, was it halted for so long there? AVYA, nothing. Okay, we had it up here actually. Let me take a look at PRPL. Purple Innovations. Is it curling? It's trying to. And we had the perfect exit. You had the perfect exit there, and you just got rid of it. And now it's looking for potential double bottom here, right? 377, yeah. As long as it doesn't break below 377 there, Andrew, right? So, yeah, it's trying to, right? Not bad at all, right? It's trying to curl there. So just make sure it doesn't get below 377, 380, right? So, yeah, not bad. Curl, 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 curl. And then ALLK. For SPY, 390, 390, 390. Yeah, 30% here for AAL. Okay, not bad actually. Not bad. I would want to see this thing clear the highs of the day though, Martin. Right? That 612 there. I want to see that thing break out above, and then we can go from there. Yeah, that's the thing about AVYA too. Like when AVYA is exciting, you never want to FOMO into this stock. Like when this stock is exciting, you don't want to FOMO because it's we talk about AVYA like not it has these rallies, but then it always slows down a bit as the day goes on, right? Same thing with like AVCT. Seems like we talk about AVCT every morning, but then it pumps and then it says, yeah, okay, that's it for now, right? So you never want to FOMO into these names. Anyways, unhalted here for BCAN, and BCAN is selling off again. Yeah. Today is just that. Today is just one of those days. Like it's one of those days. It seems like yeah. Spy is actually doing a really good job there. And it's unhalted by the way, and it's pumping. Damn, 120% here. 124%. 120. Is it halted again? It's halted again, isn't it? No, it's not. Not yet. It's just a little glitch there. It's tipping now though. Damn. Yeah, damn is right. That's right. That's right. Back to 112 here. 112%. La, la, la. Is it a good day for you? You're sitting on your hands, John? Yeah, you might have to sit on your hands today, guys. It's back to 100% now, right? WBEV here, so a bit of a dip now. A bit of a dip. And Spice hitting highs, right? That low volume, well, yeah, it's dipping now. It's back below 100% now, Jeff. So it's dipping now. Yeah, it's dipping now, Jeff, right? So 190% now, right? 90%. Oh, do you are? Pizza. When did I ever have servants? Because of the queen? No, like what I meant was like Ron. What I meant was so like usually into the Fed. If the S&P sells off, like the week before, usually you have a low volume like bump into the Fed meeting. So that's what I mentioned earlier, right? And we're kind of pumping into the kind of thrusting here now. Low volume thrust for SPY here. Halted down. Oh yeah, it's halted down now, 90%, right? You can't really trust these things honestly, right? That thing was 124%. Now it's at 90% and halted down. Who knows what happens now, right, Jeff? So um like it's just one of those days. It's one of those days, Tim. It's one of those days. Cancel that. uh Yeah. Uh, through into near last night of 2%. Oh my goodness, Stuart. Wow, very nice. Yeah, damn. Yeah, last night was the night, wasn't it? Last night was the night. Oh, like yeah, last night really was the night. So I was busy sleeping though. Busy sleeping. I wish I saw near. Cause near's one that yeah. Morning guys, something up with again row wiki. Yeah, I'd be careful with it though. I'd be careful with it. I mean like little scalps maybe. Other than that, be careful. Be careful. Anything else moving? Ooh, AVYA. It's still below $2 though. Carry the one at the zero. Wow, you made 1 million. Pizza. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Pizza is doing math now. Anyways, M-Sense, you're still in SNTI, right? Yeah. 244 here. It needs to break above that 250 level. So, oh my goodness, damn. Do you guys see that? You guys see this? Do you guys see that? I need to. I know there's kangaroo play here. I know there's kangaroo play. Oh my goodness! Wow. Replay. Bar replay isn't available for this current symbol. Okay, replay isn't available for this symbol. I wish I could replay that candle there. Wow. What a scam that was. You saw it? What a scam. What an absolute scam. You know? You're like, oh my goodness, we're about to pump. We're going. Look at that. That thing goes from here all the way to there and then crashes right away. Wow. I wish you could see that candle again. What a scam. And this is why you can never really get excited for these candles unless they actually close above these levels. The manipulation, yeah. Yellow to red. That candle went from massive green to yellow to red. Something got really hot. Is a long week good or bad? It's well, it's bad, right? So if you're getting massive wicks to the upside, that means people are taking profits, right? So if you're getting massive wicks to the downside, that means people are buying the dips. So it just depends. And like a second, yeah. And it's probably finished now, isn't it? Hopefully, M-Sense had a take profit limit order or something like that, because that thing exploded quick. Na, 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 na. Yeah, most of the time when you see these wicks to the upside, it means profit taking. Um, Thoughts on getting a stock that is gonna do a reverse splitting? I can see where you're coming from, but I think it's too late now, right? So I think it's too late. I think you missed the entire theme there, right? It's too late. Up now, let's go. Are you in this, Yami? Are you in this? I mean, there might be a bit of support here, just below 230. So I'm impressed with like how strong the S&P looks today. Honestly, impressed. Impressed how well that thing looks. And this might just set up for a disaster though, like into the Fed meeting. Yeah, these guys, I just see this as a scam. As I bet you the whole bunch of people look taking short positions here into the S&P because they don't expect anything good leading into the Fed. But then all those puts are just getting destroyed. Like if you're holding puts and you buy more puts, like it's just getting destroyed today, right? So. And then I bet you, like, leading into the second half of the day, the opposite is going to be true, right? So, Bob, you're in Discord, right? You're in Discord. No, ask for money, money. More puts, more puts. That can do it. To Discord, let's go D. Absolute rubbish, isn't it? Yep, absolute rubbish. And guess what, Jeff? Right, that other stock here, WBEV here, that thing's 66% now. Talk about scams everywhere, right? 124 5%, 66% now. So crush it, Jeff. Yeah, yeah. See if we can bounce here now. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, SPDR came down as well. Yeah, I need to pull that up too. Need to pull that up here. So many different things to watch. ETH is pumping, Jeff. Yeah, I think it will sell off again going to the Fed. Probably, Jeff. Probably. There's going to be a sell off at some point here, right? There's going to be a sell off at some point. I think this is what's happening now. Is just it's going. Uh oh. The pump before the Dumpski. Yeah. 1340. Wow, nice. I think it's almost back to the highs of the day there, isn't it, Andrew? Right. So yeah, not bad. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Interesting. Yeah, Rumble actually looks nice there. You grabbed that 380 put on SPY during this rallies for $60 frothy. Nice. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Tesla is here. I mean, even the S&P here is reaching levels that you want to be careful at. Rum and Coke. Yeah, that's why it's pumping. People think they're buying something else, Spinch. And they were bouncing a little bit here for BCAN too. So ready for the bridge. 1363. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1390. Wow. It's all over the place though, right? It's all over the place here. Are you in this, Andrew, or no? SNTI? Yeah, it's trying to consolidate them. You wish? You didn't get it the whole time? Wow. I thought you were in for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. Yeah, no, Spy is dipping there, so we'll see what it does. Yeah, no, low Yahtzee CFEI. Yeah, CFEI new ticker symbol now. That's why it's pumping. You're still waiting? That thing is slow. If the Fed announces 100 million points, will crumble like blue cheese. Probably. I don't think 100 is priced in. I think, yeah, I don't think it's priced in at all. So, not priced in at all. So, yeah, if they did that, yeah, market would struggle. So, maybe crazy. Imagine imagine the candles. Like Wednesday is gonna be fun. If you pick the right side, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Because the candles we're gonna see on Wednesday, I feel like those. Anyways, we'll see. What else here? Oh, I see. Yeah, that candle. Yeah, I see it now. Crazy, crazy D. Yeah, today just seems to be a slow day. Oh, here we go, BCAN. Come on. Is that thing actually going to bounce now? That's the first time, though. If you take a look at BCAN here, right? That's the first time we actually broke above the 9 EMA there. Since we're breaking below here at $19, right? Like $19. Yeah, curling. Yeah, from $19 here, we failed at the blue line. Every time we retested it, failed and failed and failed. Finally broke above here for the first time at 826. Right, 826 here. That's the first break above here, right? So, wow, wow, wow. 826, 830. Yeah, dollar rally, right? So is it halted? Yeah, it's halted on the way up here now. BCAN is moving. Yeah, it is. Right, so halted on the way up here. Interesting. Yeah, sometimes you just wish you'd pay. Yeah, it's halted. Yeah, you just wish you pay attention to just one name and is warming up before running, Mustafa. Let me take a look at that and then I'll come back to this SHPH here. Give me 100%. Very similar story here with the nine on this one here. Yeah, see if we can break about the view up here. Um, don't trust it. I don't trust it either. That's why I'm hesitating because I just don't trust the stock. I know this thing could easily crash again here, right? That's my hesitation here. Where are okay? There we go. Like I don't trust that stock. When I'm sleeping silent in the night like a ninja, it just became I was counting sheep. Do you not have stop losses? It's up 13%. Yeah, it's because they're leading. Like people are just excited, right, Bunny? Because it's going into they're going to the uplisting, right? So excitement, right? LPTV them. I'm looking at every thing. I'm missing the exactly R7, right? So yeah, exactly. Which is annoying. But don't worry, we'll catch it. We'll catch it. Yeah, like Frothy, you don't use stop losses when you for your crypto. I would use stop losses honestly. If you're going to bet and crypto, especially at night, I would use stop losses, especially in this market. Oh yeah, for sure. Otherwise, you're asking for a lot of trouble. For a lot of trouble. Hmm. Don't on crypto. You okay? Sounds good. Yeah, I know Binance does. So hmm, yeah, Spy is dipping again there. So look at Avaya. Avaya just crashing. Avaya looks so good in the morning. Now it's going to the bridge, right? So yeah, be careful with these names in the morning, right? So in the morning, you can't get too excited because most of the names we are watching this morning are all going down. So yeah, it does, Frothy. It does. At least with with like what I do, yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So you can set stop losses. At least for me, I don't know. Maybe ask someone in the chat that uses Binance US. KuCoin should as well. I think KuCoin should in the US, right? So yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is. Jeff, Bob, yeah, it is. See if we can stay above this that 386 there. Yeah, just confirm before you do it, right? Just confirm. Someone in Discord should be able to let you know if they have stop losses or not. Yeah, because again, like it does for me, but I don't know if it does for you though. What else here? What else are we missing? Still haunted. Still haunted. Rumble. No volume at all. Then let me take a look at the other one here. So you're still in it? Was you have a trailing? I wish you put a trailing stop loss in earlier, M cents. I would think that thing would have kicked you out in profits. Um, NTPL, and then I think he's just sitting flat. And then BXRX is the other one. There are a few more names to watch, and that thing is still holding. Yeah. Barely any movement for any of these names. Barely any movement. No, no, no. But keep oh, it's 940. Okay. What's on Houghton, Stuart? Hugh. 944 on Rumble. Hmm. Bunny, do you actually watch Rumble? Does anyone watch Rumble? Like for songs? Oh wow, that thing is thrusting there now too, isn't it? Yep. I wish I caught that little break above the 9 day, right? Very slow morning. Yeah, it is smooth. I wish I caught that, right? Especially after failing and failing and failing. Wish I caught that there. Wish I caught that, but that's okay. Right. See if we can clear $10 here now. Stop loss. La 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 la. Bunny, what do you use to trade crypto? Because I know you do it all the time, and you use stop losses, right? What do you use? And yeah, if you can let Frothy know, that'd be momentum scanner. SNT. Okay, that was the last name. Yep. Yeah, it's a slow morning, very slow. Come on, BCAN almost at $10 here now. Yeah, see if we can play 10 and actually consolidate. Maybe push again for $20, maybe. Right. So I would if you missed that little rally there though, I'd wait for the next like area consolidation before you send it, right? Otherwise, asking for problems. Asking for trouble. Wow, that thing's pumping actually. Wow. Aggressive. Damn. MULN from MULN. MULN's below 50 cents now, D. Yeah. I think we've trashed MULN enough. We've trashed MULN so much. For good reason though. For good reason. For good reason. Wow. Jeff at $12. SHPH. Okay. Mm, Hugh, in this one, aren't you? Hugh the criminal, you're in this, aren't you? There we go. And then, 1 second, guys. Here we go. Let's see. Get rid of that. Please, thank you. Yeah, there might be a little bit of resistance here, 10, like 10, 10:30. See if we can break above and actually close above. For BCAN here. You can. You can. Okay. I can't. Come on, it's breaking above there. So you already yeah, you already know what the core meant exactly. Jameson, there you go. By the way, Jameson, your dad is in the chat. Your dad is in the chat. So NX was an IPO that didn't do anything. Friday is a stock you could see running eventually, or do you think it's done? John, so those IPOs have to move right away. If they're not moving right away, you have to move on. You just have to leave them behind, leave them in your dust. Right? IPOs are meant to move right away. If it's not performing right away, people just don't have any interest. Right? There's another IPO. Right? The whole idea behind these IPOs is like you want to play. You're trying to play all of them, or the ones that have hype. Right? Let's go. Let's go, Jameson. That's funny. Right. So yeah, John. So you want to again IPOs are like they're just for hype, right? If they're not moving right away, don't play with them unless they're actually consolidating really well at a support level and it's a good company. If not, well, don't play with it, right? So NXL is really not a company that I only asked because I didn't run right away. Like the thing though is like HKD was an exception, right? Nothing else has done that. Like nothing else has done that. Also, HKD was, you look at the details now, and HKD was, massively held by someone else. It's a super, super tiny float, right? So NXL has problems because those guys, like, it's not held by anybody. And also, they have a bigger float than the other one, right? Then these stocks today, the falling rain. Really, honestly, Bob. Honestly, honestly, some of these stocks are absolute rubbish. Absolute rubbish. And we're failing at this little 50 EMA here, which is kind of what I'm watching for BCAN. That's not a surprise to me, right? I would not buy that thing at resistance there anyways, right? So 50 EMA and fail, and then crash. Is it halted now on the way down? Probably. Nope, nope, not yet. Yeah, Hulu, yeah. I think we had it up somewhere here. Hulu. Damn, that thing really crashed. Can't hold anything. Yeah, that thing pumped from $36, right? All the way back down here to $12. Wow. Crazy, isn't it, Jameson? That's crazy. You really can't trust these names sometimes, honestly. You just can't. I mean, this might be another one that we need to watch, though, here. In terms of like the nine, because we've seen two stocks do that today, right? So if we can consolidate and break above the blue line here, it might be something to play with here, right? BCAN did the exact same thing, right? So we gap up, crash, fill at the nine, fill at the nine, fill at the nine, and eventually broke above the nine. So when it did, right, it went for a nice little rally. So for now, it looks bearish. If it can break above, if it breaks above the nine, maybe we can talk, right? The blue line is what I'm looking at here, by the way. So yeah, I'll leave it on the side there and see what it does. It's just dipping, like that thing is just dipping hard. No consolidation at all. Just straight red after red after red. I mean, the candles have gone from red to orange to white. These candles are not sure what color they want to be. So, yeah, yeah. Nine is a better entry. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, like, yeah, potential double bottom there. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Keep crushing. Give us that support, please. BCAN. Yeah, BCAN is kind of playing with the 20 EMA here now, too. So, we'll see what happens there. The nine. Mm, cancel that. One second, guys. Mm, four. Oh, the song. You like the song? Yeah, that was a good song. And Spice bumping again here, right? Spice bumping. Jamie, are you holding calls or puts? Are you still holding any of those? Or you got rid of them? Holding any of those? And we're bouncing up the 20 here for BCAN. It's a bit of a bounce there. And we're still just getting red on red on red. Red on red for Holo here. Red on red. Does anybody feel like gambling into the Fed meeting? Not today, obviously, but again, we're just gonna have to wait and see what what Wednesday looks like, though. Like if we're getting a massive bump into the Fed meeting, it might just be I hope we get not in any right now. It's too weird. Yeah, the market just looks fishy to me here, which may again shouldn't be a surprise into the Fed, but known as courtesy flush. Courtesy flush. Oh, wait for the spy dump. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Um, Oi, why is something glitching? 17. Okay. Nope, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Transfer 615, 13. Hmm. It's bouncing back. How about I don't know if I trust these stocks. Do I we halted on this? Oh, that's why. Okay, $11. That's why. I was wondering why it wasn't moving. It's halted though. It's halted. Anyways, how about it? Are you in a position, GYGX team? Are you in a position? Let me know. Let me know if you're in a position. And then we can go from there. La, 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 la. Is anyone holding BCAN in the chat? Let me know. Even when I'm not playing anything, let's go, Jameson. Yeah, it's. I mean, you never know when something shows up, though, right? That happens every single day when it's boring. Something shows up and explodes. Because people still need to make monies, right? People are gonna find a way to make money. Why is that the only option there? Hmm. Yeah, he said. Yeah, Joe Biden said the pandemic is over. What does that mean, though? Like, what does that really mean? I never really read into the article a whole bunch. Right? He said something about stock rebound from losses. Okay, sounds good. He said this, right? So President Biden isn't waiting for the WHO to make the call. COVID pandemic it isn't the emergency it once was. The disease is still okay. Blah blah blah. I just want to read his quotes. We are still doing a lot of work on it, he says, but the pandemic is over, right? Vaccine treatments, la, 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 la. The end is in sight. The end is in sight. Interesting. To buy but resisting bunny. Okay, there you go. Yeah, yeah. It's in a weird spot here, right? It's in a really weird spot. In a really weird spot there. Is anyone still in SNTI? I think MSense still is. Halted. Yeah, no, it's halted on 11:04 here. And what's that? That's AVYA. Yeah, AVYA is at $1.89 and back above $1.90 there. So on halted here, Jameson now. So 1070. Wow. 1070. Damn. Is it over? Is it over? Na, na, na. Any tips? I'm just starting off, and Ryan says, "Any tips?" I'm just starting off, and I know almost nothing about this, Ryan. Screw me, I hate that stock. You do, Andrew? Yeah, it's back to 191 here now. Um, so let us back to spec price exactly here, back to $10, right? So and it actually had a nice bounce there from 1070 back to 1170. Anyways, so Ryan is asking for some help. Ryan says, I'm just getting started, and any tips would be so if you have any ideas, well, if you want to say anything in the chat, please go ahead and Yeah. So if you like anything that's helped you, right, from where you were to where you are now, just put it in the chat, right? So let's see. Let's see. Dan, hey yo, making monies. Let's go. Dan, good morning. How are you? How's class? Are you on a break? Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Paper trade. There you go. Please. Dan says, please, Ryan. Paper trade this weekend. Technical submission. That's amazing, Jameson. That's amazing. Yeah, Fluffy. Why did I call him Fluffy? I think I've asked you this before. Why did I call him Fluffy? Fluffy. Adam, okay, nice, nice, Dan. Good to have you in the chat. Dumbo Red. Paper trade, yeah, paper trading, right? So practice with the fake accounts. Ryan, practice with the fake accounts. Make sure at the beginning here, like knowledge and education is at the forefront of what you do, right? So again, like watch these videos, ask questions, right? Read some of these books, maybe, and just practice, right? So, and if you're a member, we have a few books in the education channel, so make sure you take a look at those as well. There's some books in there, some charts, some videos in Discord that you can watch and whatnot. So take advantage of those. I wanted to take a look at ADN here. ADN here, nice. We've looked at ADN a bit in the past too, so see if we can stay above $4 here, R7. Be diligent, always use stop losses, absolutely, right? Stop losses are important because especially at the beginning, you can't seem, it's hard to control, like it's hard to have a plan and actually stick to that. So that's where stop losses come in, right? Whether they're good or bad, just use them. Mm. Is HUSC at the buy level? Mm, HUSA. Let me take a look at INDO too, because that's gonna play a part in this. That's gonna play a part in this. Oh no, that's the wrong one. INDO. INDO's just been selling off here. Joe, have you been watching this at all? I think these things do have a bit of room to go to the downside here potentially now, right? So, because INDO could easily sell up to like 670 here, right? From another bottom at 670, that would signal and that would signal more of a sell off for HUSA as well, right? So yeah, Ape is at a good level with with double bottoms. Ape, that's one chart that you look at, Davidson, and you're like, there's technicals, and then like, what are the true intentions here with this donk, right? So yeah, don't mind it there, but I always have those doubts, like, what are these guys gonna do? And yeah, join Discord. Let's go. I said bye bye on that, exactly, Joe. Right. So yeah, as soon as that thing broke below that level, then you could almost see that sell up there to 570 now, whatever the level is. Right. So that's a problem. That's a bit of a problem. One second here. Mm. Thoughts on Bed Bath and Beyond, Kathy? Are you in either position? Let me know. Give me some details. Are you in Bed Bath and Beyond? Are you in Fubo? Let me know. And not pumping anytime soon? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, and that's another thing too, Jeff. When you look at like HUSA and INDO, you kind of want to look at both of them together, right? You want to look at the energy sector and then look at those stocks, right? Because obviously they go hand in hand. But yeah. So what's your position? For example, Bed Bath and Beyond. What did you get in at? What's your entry price there? Let me know. It's thrusting now. Of course it is. Rubbish stock. Mm, let me see. Uh, okay, perfect. Thank you. So you got in at 850. So you're right in this position for now. What do I think about it? I don't know. I think I have my doubts about this company, right? So there's been so much stuff that's happened around the company, so that's obviously a bit of a red flag, isn't it? Right, a bit of a red flag there. I don't know. People are still like, as excited about this as they were in the past. I don't think so. This thing looks a little bit bearish to me for now, right? So you can see these candles obviously trending to the trending down here. Um, we could easily sell up to like $7 here for this long, right? And form that double bottom and then before bouncing. So I don't know if you're holding this thing long term here. Oh yeah. What are my thoughts? I think there could be more downside here, unless the market. I mean, like SPY is pumping today, and this thing is still red, right? So I just think it's lost a bit of the hype there. That's my only concern, right? So Fubo, you got in Fubo at $5 here, so you're red in Fubo as well. You bought the absolute top on Fubo here on probably last week, right? You bought the top on Fubo here. So Fubo might have a bit of support here, maybe at 420 here, right? So if we can maybe stay above that level. Fubo is like moving with the market today, so that's better, right? So if you can stay above, if this thing includes above 450 here, I think you're okay, right? Right, test a 9 and then rebound. If it gets above $5, I think you're in a really good spot, right? So I don't mind that. And BCAN, yeah, BCAN is actually flagging here, consolidating, so not bad at all. Wow, wow, wow. Nice. See if we can break above $10 again. Completely off topic, but is anyone watching the funeral and day trading at the same time? You are? Mood, you are? Okay. Nice. Yeah, where are you watching it on? We must be related. The absolute top. Yeah, that's why it's hard to buy stocks that are pumping already, because like it's so easy for you to catch the top there. Mm, I need to log in here. Mm. BBC on YouTube. Oh, okay. Mm. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why everyone from the UK. Where's Tesh? Maybe that's why everyone from the UK isn't here yet. All our UK viewers, they're watching. Best bet is study charts and minimum learn support and resistance. Frothy, yeah, exactly. Right, really important. Really important. Hmm. Did you see all the stocks and shares? No. In shares traded Friday? Pays 10%. I did not. No, I did not. I did not. Why? Interesting, actually. That's interesting, Jeff. Is TradingView updated? I feel like they've moved some things here. It's not the same. Yeah, BCAN keeps fighting him. It's fighting. That thing can get above $10 here. Might be interesting, actually. Mark, what's your position in AVCT? If you join Discord, it tells you. Yeah, there you go. There you go. So if you're not a member yet, come join Discord. Hosting is making a interesting bliss. Let's go, Bob. Let's go. Yeah. Then at some point we'll take a break and just maybe hang out in Discord if it's still boring. But yeah, no, for now we go. Yeah, no, Bob. Let me know all these voice remedies. But I'll have to do like a better job with the warm water and then the honey as well, and then yeah, do a better job there. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. And then yeah, there's nothing on the scanner there either, right? So the last thing we had on the scanner was SNTI, SNTI. So there's really nothing showing up on the scanners there. So, anyways, fleeing housing before market crash, or the housing market crash. Well, you're in a 19 cents. Okay, let me take a look. So, AVCT. AVCT is a nice momentum name. If you get in before the thrusting, right? So, I mean, that thing really struggled a few weeks ago at that 50-cent level, which is a level that we were concerned with. And it's done a fairly good job of just consolidating here above 19. So it doesn't look too bad as long as it stays above 19 to take a couple extra breaks. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I will. At some point, we'll take a break here and just, yeah. At some point, we'll take a break, probably around lunchtime or something, or after lunch. And then we can just hang out in Discord, right? So that's why we have a community, so we can still watch his names without like having to be on here. So I don't mind this. It's done a fairly good job today as well, right? I don't mind it. You're agreed on your position for now. I would just honestly watch and make sure it stays about 20 cents. For Audible, should do French. Oui, oui. I wait, why not? So let's do it. Some French Audible books. French audio. Yeah, that thing hit a double top here, though, so that's a concern, Mark. So, double top, right? So again, history does not repeat, but it rhymes, right? So double top there, resistance. Again, importance of like knowing where these resistance levels are, and then again, it needs to stay about 20 cents here for me, though. Right, breaking below that level might be a bit of a red flag. So, inevitable. There you go. And BCAN, yeah, BCAN is fighting with that $10 level there, that moving average. So that thing can break above there. It might get interesting here. Pump and flake, and let's thrust. He was waiting on this. He was rubbing his hands. There you go. $10. Trying to. Unbelievable. Peter is a useless goat. An absolute useless goat. Now let's see if we can hold him. What's 43? AVCT. Oh, why is that glitching, man? La la la. Na na na. One second, guys. Edit that. Need to quickly copy that. There you go. Other way around, actually. There we go. Today, yeah. I'm telling you, Peter is yeah, no, I will. Bob, I will. In the next 30 minutes. In the next 30 minutes, we can yeah. We can yeah, 30 minutes. It is Joe. Oh, the last song. Okay. I will. Thank you. The voice, the voice, the voice. La, 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 la. Come on now, give us the thrust here before we call it. Yeah, just because we filled up the 50 EMA here last time, we're finally breaking above here. So the it has 3 million in volume on a. It's called Goat. I want to go find out what stock that is. Yeah, that thing hit a double top here mark, right? So AVCT double top. Again, history does not repeat, but it rhymes. Double top, Dipski, Goat. On rum, I'll take a look at rum. Jameson, is it can't find it on my list here. There are a lot of goat stocks actually, like most of the ETFs though, because I think they use that as a RUM here. Triple tops? Yeah, kinda. Just below $14, right, Shannon? Yeah. What a scam. At $1, it's at $1 now. Jeff, are you happy now? That thing crashed. Like crashed. What a scam. Every stock to me, like on a day like today, is a pump and dump. Like every stock. Code Industries. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, that's a triple top for now at $14. So Shannon, unless this thing can break above $14, you want to be careful. Right, unless we can break above $14 there. Right? Nah. Yeah, we can hop off around lunchtime, guys, in 30 minutes or so, and then just hang out in Discord, right? And watch these names. You know what's crazy is every time we've hopped off and hung out in Discord, there's been an explosion. There's been an explosion. Some stock has exploded, and we've been in from Discord. So hopefully it happens again today. We'll be back in Discord when you get okay. Sit on your Jeff. Oh yeah, that's true. Discord. Yeah. That's annoying actually. Sit on my hands until tomorrow. Yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, no, Shannon, it needs to break above $14. Yeah, for now, that's just a triple top, right? Again, so once, twice, and for now, the third time might be the charm here because it usually is, but you want to wait for that confirmation, right? So, yeah, you would be wise to approach everything with that mentality. Yeah, exactly. For now, today, again, just like it was on Friday, pump and dump, right? So, if it breaks out through the gap up, okay, sounds good, Shannon. Sounds good. Waiting. Let me skip this rubbish song. Jeff? ALLK here. So you're asking? Great. Discord hangout? Boo. No, it's not mood. It's not. ALLK here. This thing was up 30% this morning. We hit a double top as well, right? All these stocks are just hitting tops and backing off. So you want to be careful. See, if I have no luck, that's okay. R7, don't worry. It will turn around. Don't worry. Just be patient, right? It always does. Interesting. Interesting here. You're asking if it's time. Is it a good buy or not? What's the volume in this here? 30 million float. Interesting. If you're gonna play with this, like if you're gonna take a little gamble here, don't let it go below 550. That would be my NJ. That would be my advice for you, right? Don't let it go below 550 if you're gonna take that little gamble at the 200 EMA here, right? So, yeah. And to me, every stock is just losing all its gains today, so that means you should be very cautious today. Right, be very, very careful. This one's lost momentum too, right? But you never know. I'd be careful with it, especially after a gap up like that. Right? After a gap up like that, sell off. Pump and dumps everywhere. You get a pump, you get a dump. You get a pump, you get a dump. Come on now. And that's the link in the chat there for Mumu. If you've signed up for Mumu, type in yes in the chat. I want to see all these criminals. If you signed up, type in yes. I just want to see, and then let me know if you let me know what you think of the if what you think of the app. Um, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if it's Jonathan says yes. D says yes. You still have to fund it. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. There you go. Jonathan says Mumu is pretty nice. Still a newbie, but you like it? Okay, nice. Yeah. So, again, if you haven't signed up for Mumu yet, make sure you sign up for Mumu. The link is right here in the chat, right? That's the link to the. There you get some free stonks. Free stonks. And a whole bunch of other things, right? So let me know if you have any questions about Mumus. Mumus. Pizza Mumu. Rubbish. Let me take a look at the S&P here again. Because Spy really is looking for Dora the Explorer. Hi, my name is Dora. Hi, my name is Dora. Have you seen Spy? Yeah, Spy also hit a triple top, which is funny. Like every stock we're watching today is hitting triple tops and backing off, right? Spy hit a triple top here too, right? Double top, triple top, 387. Bye bye. Look at that, right? So it might find a bit of support here now though at the VWAP, 384.88 here maybe, right at the VWAP there, and then bounce. But wow, right? wow. Everything is just pump and dump into the Fed. Yeah, I think honestly the best thing to do might just be to wait till Wednesday, right? Wait till Wednesday. See what how the market reacts to everything that's happening, and then go from there. D, what are you waiting for? Fund it and get those free stonks before the offer is over. D. Tesh, where have you been? You criminal. You've been making monies on the side, haven't you? Bill haven't given me a free stock yet. It's frozen at the moment. It is. That's annoying. Yeah, let me know if they don't. You like Mumu's charting? You do? Okay. ATXG? Let me take a look. No. Not bad, actually. Yeah. See if you can go from red to green here, right? R7. See if you can go from red to green. BCAN is also back to $10. Like I think he's fighting at $10 there, which is impressive. Not bad. Anyways, yeah, no, the only reason I would be hopping off a lunch is just so I don't know, so I can rest the voice. I don't know. Really struggled with it this weekend, so kind of really struggled with that rubbish. So we can take a little break if nothing's happening anyways and just hang out in Discord. That's okay too. Yeah, no, ATXG it's slow, but at least it's moving in the right direction. It's no longer pump. It's at $85 now. Isn't that funny, R7? Like, isn't that just funny? Anyways, let's go, Jameson. No. Yeah, no, we'll hang out in Discord and still look for all these plays, guys. It might be even better for like the members too, because then we can actually look for you know what I mean. So network nuts 0 to Mhm. Yeah, make okay. Oh, yeah, I bet you. Yeah, that's what I mentioned earlier too. Tej lives in England, anyways. So all the UK people are watching the funeral. Watching the funeral. Imagine that would be like an absolute like just as an event, something to watch for sure. And Spy, yeah, Spy is still dip skiing here now. And is anybody surprised, honestly, that the S&P is crashing here? Like, is anyone surprised? Nope. It's gonna be scamming like this, like all week long into the Fed meeting, right? It's just gonna be like this, up and down, crazy, crazy volatility, right? Dips. What's Bitcoin at now? Bitcoin is back to, yeah, back to 19. Yeah, it's just gonna be like this, pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump, all over the place. Pump it, short it. Spy is rubbish. Yeah. That's Edges. Yeah, he is. He is. See if we can get something pumping here before we hop off. Ta, 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 ta. It needs more green, Jonathan? Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Don't worry, we'll find something green today. We'll find something. We will find something green. Senator releases draft bill to push for crypto regulation. Okay. Crypto regulation. Let me see here. Anything else happening on? Oh yeah. It's not Corona. 81%, nice. It's halted, by the way. BCAN is halted at 9:30 here. Halted on the way down. Halted on the way down. Mm, I don't really see anything here that are like. Just looking at the list. Yeah, Philly. Yeah, they did. Yeah, we talked about it last week. I'll wait for BBIG to dump though. I think Spy will trade in the for a couple of days. Yeah, probably Jameson, right? So probably. Yeah, everything's crashing now. Yep. Damn. Talk about bridge. I need to build that Doja account so I can buy some Berkshire Hathaway at 416,000. I know, Bob. My only hesitation with Dogecoin is just a lack of, like, of like just lack of activity. You would think those guys would have done something by now, but they just haven't done anything. 860, wow, 860 Hugh. You know what I mean? Like, as the number one meme coin, well, the first meme coin, those guys should have been they should, they have the community, they just don't do anything with it, so which is annoying. Yeah, 55. Yeah, it's trying. It bumped and then dipped, right? So it went from red to green and then back to red. So it needs to actually close these candles green and then we can talk. Because now it's dipping, right? Just a huge scam. So it would have been nicer to just wait and see that thing actually close green, the candle, like the entire candle close green, because now it's back to red, right? How Spy is gonna do? I think Spy, like Jameson mentioned above there, Spy is gonna be in range bound, and then on Wednesday it's gonna be you're gonna need popcorn. Like you're gonna need popcorn because at 2 p.m. the S&P will give you chaos, up and down, pump and dump like a penny stock. A league for hot trades, a league. Boy, the thing is, like, once you miss that first half, Stuart, I don't know if people would want to. Like, once you miss the first half, it's almost harder to get into like the second half now. Like the second half, like after Champions League, no, after the World Cup, maybe actually, maybe. I think it might be appealing after the World Cup. Yeah, Virgo, ADN. I know R7 mentioned ADN earlier too, so yeah, it's slowly going there, right? So the float isn't bad either, actually. Yeah, slowly, R7. Nice of the day here, Virgo. Nice. Yeah, super slow. Finally broke above 4, but yeah, just slow, but it's moving. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm ready for the World Cup. I'm ready. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Imagine watching stocks and the World Cup at the same time. How amazing would that be? Amazing. It's gonna be fun. I'm ready for the World Cup. La 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 la. Let's see here, Virgo. How the trades going this morning? Did you get rid of the other one? PRPL. Did you get rid of that one? You're still holding it. Plenty. Yeah, exactly, Stuart. Exactly. Plenty of time to organize. Let's see here. La, 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 la. I want to see how the US does too. I want to see if they get slapped the first game or something like that, and then cheer for yeah, I'll cheer for the African countries, and then the Asian countries, and then after the round of 16, or then I will pay attention to the teams that I actually think will win. Like the European countries, then go from there. But I always cheer for the underdogs. At the very beginning, I always cheer for the underdogs. All these teams that are not expected to do well, and then go from there. The World Cup, you're still in there? Okay, sounds good. Is BCAN is still halted here. So see if this thing actually opens at that 860 level. Wow, crazy. Yeah, it just failed too many times at $10. I think people just got annoyed with it and just dumped it. You know, just got annoyed and said, "Yeah, no thanks, bye bye, bye bye, see you later." Perfect. I want a new high as well. KNBE. Actually, yeah, not bad at all. 22, yeah. I see we break about 22.45 here, Virgo. 22.45, right? Just again, 22.45, 22.50. That pre-market high, right? Double top there. See if we can break out. See if we can break out. Awesome. You should be cheering for the US the entire time. And the US, yeah, the US is a massive underdog. So is Canada. Uh, the only thing is that no, no move around, just like Doge. Bob. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I have to first root for Colombia, or I have to. Yeah, Pablo's wife is from Colombia, so Pablo has to root for Colombia first, or I have to move into my garage. Yeah, no, Colombia is usually like, yeah, Colombia. I like watching Colombia. I super root for Colombia. Yeah, I like watching Colombia. That's how I first like saw James Rodriguez. He did so well. Like, he's such a good player, and then he went to Madrid, and then the rest is history. He just yeah. Yeah, no, Virgo, that looks good there. See if we can break above here to 22.50, right? Yeah, it actually did break above, but it's not holding yet. So, yeah. Doge. And then who is sponsoring the World Cup there? I know Algorand is doing something with the World Cup, Bob, right? Algorand is. So maybe Algorand might move closer to the World Cup. There's something else though. There's another something else. Yeah, no, mostly Algorand, I think. So we'll see if Algorand does anything remotely positive closer to the World Cup, right? Hopefully by then we've had some nice dips in crypto, and we're starting to turn around, right? And then we can actually benefit from the, you know, hopefully. And SPY is rebounding there too. All of crypto is just following the S&P, just following, right? Pump, dipski, pump, dipski, pump, dipski. So Go, 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 go. Again, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. Smash like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. The membership link is at the bottom of your chat here now. So yeah, come join us in Discord and let's look for some more plays. Wow, that thing's still halted there. That's a long halt. A long, long halt. Nah, 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 nah. Get rid of that. Show us the monies, please. Nah, nah, nah. That's that. What's that? Still at 31? Yeah. And that's Holo. Holo is a halted on the way down here, Jameson. This thing's just been selling off the entire time. Wow. You know what? Like, yeah, Jameson, are you still watching this? Holo? Yeah. I mean, that thing's just been crashing. Just been crashing, right? So we'll see if we can eventually break above somewhere here, above that moving average. If we can, cool, maybe, right? But it's been failing. Like this thing's been failing below since $33 here, right? $32, Holo, right? Fill in the 9, fill the 9, fill the 9, fill the 9, fill the 9. So yeah, it might be nice to watch this closely, and if you can eventually break above the 9, maybe. That's a crazy short. Imagine shorting that thing, right? Imagine shorting it. Too bad. Yeah, I don't think you could though. I don't think you could unless you're a market maker or somebody. So I don't think you could. Wow, that's weak. That's weak. That's a huge drop. Yeah, $36 to below $7, right? That's crazy. See if it keeps dropping here. See if it keeps dropping. Yeah, if this thing would just keep dropping like this and consolidate somewhere, it might be a nice play, right? For maybe a bit of a rally there, but just not trustworthy yet. And then yeah, BCAN is unhalted here now, right? So that thing crashed hard as well, from $10 all the way to everything is a pump and dump today, like everything. Every stock we're watching is just pumping and dumping. So be careful out there, please. Be careful, Mustafa, right? So BCAN is unhalted here. Halted. Let me see here. This song sounds like I don't know. Sounds like something familiar. That's not what I want. No. 60-minute interview. Transfer. One second. One second, give me issues then. Okay, that's fine. There you go. There's a Chinese stock I found called Scam. Oh, I want to see what that stock looks like. Yes, Scam. Oh, it's not on TradingView here for some reason. Not on the TradingView. Nah. Oh my goodness, that thing's at $6 now, guys. Talk about crash. That thing's gonna be down 50% before you know it. 50%. Crazy, isn't it? Yeah. Crazy. I believe I bought 100 shares of that. I believe I bought 100 shares of what's been today. Almost nothing, Iron. Almost nothing. Nothing at all. Everything's absolute rubbish. If it hits you buy $4. There you go. Yeah, $4. Bob. Yeah, I'm sure that's going to be something. Is it halted again? Yeah, it's actually halted at $6. Wow. Why is it struggling so much? I think it's going to $2, Bob. $2. So it's going to be halted for the next 10 minutes. So we'll watch it in Discord and see what it does, right? And the S&P, again, this is not a surprise here. It's going to do this all day today. Up, destroy the calls, destroy the puts, down, destroy those calls. You have a situation. What's the situation, D? What's the situation? Over $10 again, Billy? Yeah, BCAN. It's trying. It's right here, 9:30. It's halted, right? It's halted, yeah. BCAN. We'll watch all of these names in Discord, guys. I'll make sure, yeah. Flopping harder than Jay-Z. It really is, R7. It really is. It really is. There you go. My work is changing to 12 hour. Wait, so they want you to work 12 hours, D? Like, is that even like, is that like allowed, or like 12 hours, like 12 hours every single day, like Monday to Friday, 12 hours? Wow. Why? Like, are they like, obviously you make a little bit more money, but are they paying you more too for like every hour? What did you guys do? Did you guys you did, yeah, Joe, 12 hours sometimes? I'm just wondering, like, why the change, labor and in the sun, Joe? Yeah. All of this work for crumbs. We really were spoiled. I know you. We really were. Now we're having to work for these. Yeah, 12 hours. Yeah, yeah. I used to do 12 hours too, man. Back in the, yeah. 12 hours wasn't like yeah. One of my summer jobs was 12 hours. 12 hours, like 7 days a week, and it was tough. Nobody wants to work. So they're paying you $4 more. 12 hours. It does. It really did. It really did. Honestly, it really did. You go home on your day. Like, that's basically what it was, though, because you can't do anything else. Like, you by the time you get home, like, you're way too tired, and you take a shower and you eat. You don't want to do anything else. Like, you just don't. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's crazy, 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 crazy. Rinse and depressed. Exactly, Joe. Like, I got, like, at one point I got really sick just from the. Oh, what's that? 1 second, guys. 1 second. That's crazy. Yeah. It's Adam Aaron. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Oh, yeah. I need to log in here again. Mm, 1 second. Mm, crazy. You only. Oh, you guys are. Yeah. Balances. There we go. Real time. 1 second, guys. I just need to quickly take care of this rubbish from. It doesn't do it. At 8:30. Okay. Mm, okay. Activity performance. Applications. 36. Oi. Mm, goals, customize. I did represent transfer thing. Oh yeah, yeah. Music, the music, Peter. Yeah. Well, there you go, new song. Uh, so maybe. I don't get this. Uh, at this level, no, I my stuff isn't working though. That's the thing. That's why I call these guys. My broker isn't working for some reason. I need to get them to fix it. Like it just won't work for some reason. I know, Jameson. I know. I exactly like that's very annoying. Honestly, that's gonna piss me off. That thing explodes. Very annoying. Do you have any? Do you have any money left there, Pizza? I know. Oh, unbelievable! It's not working for some reason. I don't know why. Do you have any money left there? Uh, Pizza, maybe that's the problem. Maybe that I bet you that's the problem. Probably. I bet you that's the problem. Uh, um, within including okay, sounds good. Uh, to I can do it to anything else. Um, okay, 13. You know what's crazy? Now it's working. Now it's working. Now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. A blessing in disguise? No, it's a curse. It was at $5, Bob. It's no longer it's no longer a blessing. And then I'm watching jumped on my lap and at five no, it wasn't a blessing. It was a curse. Rubbish. How can you work and then all of a sudden not work? It wasn't a blessing. 'Cause, It wasn't a blessing. That sounds like a my run. Yeah, exactly. That was not a blessing. Mm, hmm. Below five? Oh, you did? Okay, okay. See? Yeah. No, unbelievable. It is what it is. It's over now, anyways. Yeah, it's working now. Let me log out of that. There we go. Log out. There we go. That's working. I'm not very really, but it might be time to say a prayer for some green candles. Please and thank you. Spy, spy. There you go. Green candle for spy them. Oh no. There you go. Mm, mm, mm. Four. Mm, mm. Boy. Oh, it's unhalted now. Yeah, no, it's too late. It's too late now. Right, that thing has been failing to break above there. So yeah, it's too late now. That five would have been nice, but it's too late. We'll see what it does, but yeah, it's too late. Here comes the the drop. Yeah, exactly. It's too late. It's dropping again to $10, to $5, right? So it probably will break below $5 now this time, right? So it's too late here. Yeah, that first halt would have been nice because I don't trust it now because you can get rid of it almost right away as soon as it got unhalted, right, Bob? Yeah. I'm not picking cues, Jonathan. Yeah. Yeah, it's too late there. Is it halted down? Yeah, probably gonna get halted down here now too. Let's see. And then what else is moving here? KNBE. Yeah, no Virgo. That thing just hit that double top and backed off, right? Double top, and then backed off there. So see if we can stay above 22.26 here. You think it bounces at $5? It's halted though. Like it's halted. If that thing got halted, that's it. Uh-oh, that's dangerous now because it's halted at $5. That thing will open at zero. No, I'm just kidding. And yeah, it's halted anyways. It's halted at $5. It's only 5 million float. Yeah, maybe at the end of the day this thing will rally again, Jameson, maybe. But it's like for the top, RUM. Actually, don't mind that one, Shannon. See, yeah, it needs to get back to that 14, right? Break above $14. You got stopped out, Bob. You got stopped out. Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah. Just checked, and you can start a new league during the season. Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we can do it. Plenty of time, right, for the World Cup. Let's do it. Andrew says, "What a rubbish day." Yeah, it's been slow. Yeah, it's been really slow. Really, really slow. I don't know. We'll see, Andrew. We'll see how the rest of the day plays out. But anyways, we'll leave it here for now, guys. It's that lunchtime dipski, right? We'll hang out in Discord. So if you're a member, we'll most likely hang out in Stock General and look for some more ideas, some more plays. So don't forget to smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe. Um, you still have yours. The stock is at 502, which is where I tried to buy it. Damn dog, Bob. I know. See what I mean? See what I mean? Take have a nap. No, we'll just hang out in Discord in Stock General. I just need to like rest the voice a bit, not talk as much, and then not talk as much because it's setting up for another. Yeah, it is. It is. Virgo. If you can bounce off that 50 EMA, then and drink some warm water because we move tomorrow. Andrew, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I just need to because I know Wednesday is gonna be a full day anyways. All of Wednesday. Can't take a break on Wednesday because it's the Fed. Don't yell like I just did. Yeah. Let's go, D. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. So again, thank you guys very much for the support. Bob, it's good to see you. It's good to have you in the chats. It's good to see you, Bob. I don't know. It's good to see you. And can't hang in Discord rubbish. I know, D. That's annoying. That's annoying. So alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Be safe, please. Be safe. Don't rush into anything. Let the plays come to you. And if there's nothing to play today, there's nothing to play. Carla says warm water, lemon juice, and garlic turmeric. Okay, thank you, Carla. Thank you. I will do that. I will do that. I will do that actually. Yeah. Thank you. I would do that and then sit in Discord and type instead and see if we can find anything else to play with. Alrighty, guys. Whatever. Goodbye, guys. Bye, all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Ready? Bye.